Welcome to our channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the time you're going to see this video. Yes, if you're just seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. Yes, so guys, today we want to talk about Eya and alligator pepper in another dimension. Yes, because although people are joining us on daily basis on this channel, some people are new. Some have been asking me, what is this? What is that? I'll be explaining some of the concepts that we have done before so that some people can get clearer understanding, and then we add more ideas and more knowledge to what we have learnt before on this channel. Yes, guys, are you new on this channel? Is this your first time of seeing my video? You're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button and you'll be glad you did so, because on this channel we learn simple solution to life. We learn simple tips, things that gives us simple solution to life, ranging from spiritual to physical, marriage, marital, finances, career. In every aspect of our lives, we try to look for how we can provide simple solution to life. Okay, so guys, if you are new here, you're welcome. Please, you're not in the wrong place. Just endeavor to subscribe and join us on this family, because on this family, your problem is my problem and my problem is your problem. Yes, so we work together. This morning I want to show you Eya. Okay, some of you know this before. Some you're just seeing this for the first time. This is Eya, and this is the pinch of it on my palm with alligator pepper. Are you faced with some kind of circumstances and situations that is giving you sleepless nights? Are you having a court case? Are you having marital problem? Is in your office, are you being victimized? Are you finding it difficult to to rise and stand in life? Are you having issues with your relationship, with so many other things? This Eya is a spiritual weapon. It is a spiritual messenger. You can use it to do so many things, And are you into business? Are you into music? Or are you into something that you go to somewhere to talk to convince people? Your business, like all this marketing and the promotions and sales and all that. What kind of career are you into? Whatever it is that you are into, you can use Eya. In fact, Eya is supposed to be like something that you must have, in your house. Eya is a herb. Okay, look at it here. Eya is a herb. Okay, it is a herb, and this white, we have different colors of Eya. We have the brown one, we have the white one, we have the mixed color. So it depends on the one that you have. If you already have Eya, congratulations. And if you don't have Eya yet, why not get your own? Okay, Medilock is the only one that sells Eya. Yes, so guys, if you need Eya, just place order and I'll send it to you wherever you are on the face of this earth. Some of you are asking, how can we place order for your product? You can use the number on my screen to place order. It is a WhatsApp line. Just send your request to that number and you'll be responded to. Please, if you send your question and you did not get instant response, just be patient. You'll be responded, and whatever it is that you place order for will be delivered to your address. And there is no way that we cannot deliver. The only place we have not sent something to yet is heaven and hell, because there's no address to that place yet. If there is an address to Angel Gabriel, please give me his address and he will receive my goods in 3 or 4 days. So guys, this is Eya. How do we use this Eya? I demonstrated before in one of my videos. I said how to use Eya. That is the title of that video. If you have not seen that video yet, you can watch that video, okay? All you need to do is put a pinch of Eya on your hand, then carry your alligator, spiritual alligator pepper. There are 3 types of alligator pepper. We have fake alligator pepper, we have ordinary alligator pepper, and we have spiritual alligator pepper. So if you have been using ordinary alligator pepper, you cannot expect it to give you the kind of function the way spiritual alligator pepper will do for you. Yes. So, and this is an opened one. I extracted a seed from here. All you need to just put a pinch of Eya on your palm, and then put 1 seed of alligator pepper, and say what you want concerning your situation. What is that thing? Anyone that says I should not enjoy the fruit of my labor, let the wind blow them away. Anyone that is there gossiping me up and down, let them be faced with the problem that they cannot come out of. Let so and so, let this land favor me. Let this court case be in my favor. Let this police case be in my favor. Let my customers begin to troop in like the way the river flows. Let so and so, everything, just decree it. And you blow it away. That is all. So this is how you can use Eya. Okay, I will also explain to you how you can use alligator pepper to do another thing. I want to put 2 things together in this video. I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Levels. You're welcome back from that timeout. Yes, and please, if you succeeded in staying up to this moment, thank you, because some people, they start watching my video after 5 minutes. Well, the main cocoa, the real thing, comes at the end, towards the end of the video. Yes. See, do you have alligator pepper in your hand and you don't know how you can use it? So now I'm going to explain to you how you can use alligator pepper. Okay, alligator pepper is a spirit. Okay, alligator pepper is a spirit. You can use alligator pepper to do a lot of things, like when you're traveling. You know, some people put alligator pepper in their pigeon, in the car, you know, like in the pigeonhole of the car, just a bunch of it like this. Some put it in their handbag, you know, and some people, they just count the seed. They count the seed of alligator pepper. They bring out the seed, you know, and then like they count like 7, you know, and put it in their purse or in their pocket or something like that, you know. So but you can also use alligator pepper to say, like now, this is the seed of alligator pepper. You can say, I made the lock as I am stepping to so place. You know, anybody, any man, any woman that plan to do me evil, let them begin to feel the evil even before I get there. Or let that place become too hot for them. Or let anything that they wish me, let it begin to happen to them. Raise to power 10. You can just, you know, like this. If you want to, like, okay, cleanse yourself with alligator pepper, all you need to do is to carry a seed of alligator pepper and touch yourself, like this, like this, like this, like this, and throw it behind your back. See, who needs to use alligator pepper to cleanse his or herself? Is somebody who has soiled himself or herself. And how do we soil ourselves? At times you may go to places, you may be shaking hands with people. And some people, they carry something in their body. Some are born with it. Some are spiritually spiritually they created it, but some are born with it. When you shake hands with them, whatever it is in your body is neutralized. Favor, goodness, promotion, whatever. When I'm not talking about charms or whatever that you carry in your body. No, I'm talking about goodness. So some people, when you're in a relationship with them, these are evil things that will start happening to you. You start noticing demotion, stagnation, your business will stop moving and all that. So you can use alligator pepper seed, to stop that from happening to you. Yes, you just cleanse yourself and neutralize, pray, and break every power that must have accrued from your relationship with so and so persons. You understand? And then you can mention them by their names and then do like this and throw it away. You are good, you're fine. Okay? So guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'm your sister. Let me do mine for you. Please subscribe to my channel now. Join this family, okay? And remember to give me thumbs up after watching my video, whether you like me or not. Because some people, they don't like me and some love me. And I love you all. Thank you and God bless.